Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can connect Facebook Pixel to your Wix site. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on facebook.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys in the center of your screen, you're going to find all of the sites that you have. So right now, just go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. So once here in your dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen and then here you're going to find all of these sections. So once here, go ahead and search for marketing. You're going to find it here under customers and delete. And then here, once you click on marketing, you're going to find marketing home, Google ads, Facebook and Instagram ads, email marketing, social media marketing, referral program, and lastly, discounts. So go to marketing home. And then if you scroll down a little bit right here, you're going to find keep your audience engaged. So here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find social media marketing, email automations, coupons, Google ads, Facebook and Instagram ads, link in bio, and SEO. So if you want to link your Wix site to your Facebook account in order to advertise on Facebook, go ahead and click on advertise on Facebook right here. And then you're going to be here in this page. Reach the right audience with Facebook and Instagram ads. So you need to select a campaign goal to continue. First of all, you can either choose to generate leads or get sales. Go ahead and choose your goal and then click on get started. Once you do that, all you need to do, guys, right now is enter your Facebook account and then log into your Facebook account. And after that, your Facebook account will be linked to your Wix site, and you're going to be able to advertise on Facebook. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.